Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick little review on the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, or at least a review on what I splurged on this year. I'm kind of irritated because I just filmed this whole video and then it said something about something being corrupted. So I'm gonna try this again. But yeah, so I already have everything laid out because I already filmed this. But moving on. So Ulta does the sale, I believe they do it a couple of times a year if I'm not mistaken, where it's 21 Days of Beauty. They also have one for hair. The beauty one is the one that people go nuts for though, because they have a lot of great holy grail must-have products, and there are usually about half off. Some of the more like expensive things like the face creams and anti-aging things like that, those can be like just percentages off, like 25-35% off. But everything I got today and that I'm going to show you was half off. So there are some things in here that are just like repurchases, things that I know that I love, and also things that I just wanted to try. So there were a few things that I kind of regret, but you know, might as well try it because it was on sale. So let's just get started. We'll start with actually what I have on right now. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Wine Not. And I really like it so far. I've never tried the Too Faced formulas before, but this feels really nice. It doesn't feel too drying. It doesn't look too like crackly. This color is also right up my alley. You guys know I love colors like this. I also love wine. But every time I would go to Ulta, Sephora, or whatever, when I would swatch the lipsticks, this is the one that I would always pick up like I was gonna get it and then put it back down. So they were half off, so it was around $10. So I figured, might as well, girl, let's get it. And I really love it so far. Now that being said, it's getting spring summertime over here, so I need to start dialing it back, but I really like this, and I'm going out for a date to the movies, so we'll see how it stands up against dinner and popcorn and whatnot. Another thing I got, which was something newer for me, is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. This is the translucent one. It is a poreless finish airbrushed pressed powder. It comes in a little compact like here. IT Cosmetics actually had a lot of things on sale this time. But it comes like this, and it's pretty packaging. Inside they got the mirror, the translucent powder, really fine, doesn't really feel like much at all actually, and the sponge. I don't like this. This was half off, so I believe it came out to like $14 for me, but so far I do not like it. I was hoping it was, because I really love the Tarte Smooth Operator little powder here. I love this. And I was hoping it was kind of similar to that, but something that I could keep in my purse so I can touch up on the go. I don't like it. I don't know, maybe if it was the foundation I was using that day. I have to try it again. But I just felt like it did not look nice. But it has so many great benefits. It says it is anti-aging and skin-loving, silk hydrolyzed collagen, antioxidants, and peptides. But yeah, so you know, all good things. IT Cosmetics is great. They always want to make sure your skin is put first, which is something really nice, cruelty-free. But I don't like it. I'm gonna try it again, but so far, anyway. Something that I do love and I use literally every single time I put makeup on is the Porefessional. They had this, I believe this was only for platinum members and up. This was online. I've never bought the full size, so I didn't realize like how cute the packaging is. I always buy the little ones because you only need a little bit, so they last me a long time. But I figured, hey, half off, girl, do it. And because this is like almost $30 too. Outrageous. So I paid $15 for it. Super excited. I'm not going to open it until I finish those little ones. But this is a great product. Like I said, I use it every day. So this was awesome. Everything I got was online besides the lipstick. I don't mess around with going to Ulta early in the morning because some of these girls be getting crazy. And I just don't have time for that kind of stress. If you buy it online, it ships for free if you're platinum and up, and then it shows up at your door. No hassle. And another thing that I already knew I loved was the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Again, this is like almost $30, so it was half off. Great. I love this thing. I cannot say enough good things about it. When it came out, I was like, I am not buying that. It is water. I'm not going to pay $30 for water. But no, girl, this is magic water. This is magic water. I have the newer one, the coconut one that they did with Nicole Concilio. Really love this one too. Smells so good. In fact, you know what? Yes. Yes. So good. I picked up one of these. I kind of regret only getting one, but you live and you learn. Another type of spray that I got the last day, which was this past Saturday of the last day of the 21 Days of Beauty. I picked up they had MAC Fix Pluses. My sister's gonna kill me. I did buy two because they were half off. I was so surprised that they had these. Like, I don't know, maybe it's because they're coming out with so many different ones now. But this is every makeup lover loves this thing. It is so versatile. It looks great for your makeup, especially during these hotter times that are coming up. I just feel like this helps my makeup so much. And it also just makes my base feel good. And also you can use it to wet your brushes for pigments, everything. Like this product is never gonna go away. So I did get two of those half off. So two for the price of one. Yes. I never tried Ofra before. They had two things on sale. They were the banana powder and then the highlighting translucent powder. I also believe they had it on sale, just like a pan. These are so small. I am so glad I paid half because these are so small. They have really good reviews. I do like banana powders for my under eyes. I feel like it just brightens it up so much. And so far I am wearing this today and it's very nice. The packaging is really nice. But it's like an eyeshadow. It is so small. I believe it came out to like $6. It was $12 before. But if you think about it, like the Anastasia contour kit refills, they're just as much or maybe even more. So, you know. I also like this. This is the translucent highlighting powder. I don't know why it's highlighting, but I used it all over my face because I saw someone in a review say it works better that way, and it works awesome that way. Super pretty little packaging. I think this one was like $14, so half off of that. Really good buy. So other than them being really tiny, really like it so far. Now this. Now for my brows, I usually use the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, but I thought it was like $26, girl. Like, we can't just be balling like that all the time. But I needed a new one though because it was running out. And I've tried the drugstore ones and it's just not the same. But they had the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter for half off. So it came out to like $10 each, around that range, 10 to 12. So I figured, hey, let's just get two and hope for the best. And I'm so glad I did because it is awesome. I love it. I love it so much more than the Anastasia brow one. It's just, you know what it is? It's, I mean, the packaging is so cute, but I love the wand more. The other one is just like a big fat hairy wand. And this one, I feel like it grabs each of my brow hairs and coats them and just brings out, I think it makes my brow look a little bit more full and natural, and it's just really nice. And it stays on all day. These brows ain't going nowhere, girl, let me tell you. So I'm so glad I picked up two. Great buy. Dose of Colors had their Marvelous Mauves palette. I've never tried any of their eyeshadow formulas, and if you guys aren't familiar with these little palettes come in with shades of, or 5 shades, and there's different ones. There's like I think it's Baked Browns, Sassy Siennas, Marvelous Mauves. I think there's a couple more now too. And I never tried it, but it was half off, so it came out to around $15. My mom actually got this one for me. She has the Sassy Siennas one and she really loves it, so might as well. It's a little bit cool tone. You guys know I like warm, but I wore this the other day and the formula on this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It is so smooth, so just buttery. There was a lot of fallout, well, more than I expected, but they just blended away so nice, and it made doing my eyeshadow so effortless. So this was a really great buy. I mean, all it did was make me want to try more of their eyeshadow palettes. So glad I got this for half off, and just, it is awesome. It is so awesome. I should have worn it today. It matched this so nice. I didn't think about that. Really good though. Another thing I bought that is just, you know, something that I've tried before and I know I love is the Murad Anti-Aging Acne Time Release Cleanser. They had this one and the normal acne cleanser. Now, my skin used to be really, really bad and I had a hard time with acne when I was younger. Thankfully, it's calmed down a lot now, but I really liked the regular one back then. It's expensive though. This one I think is $38 and the other one's $30 or something like that. So they were half off, so I picked up the anti-aging one. I don't really know if there's really like anti-aging benefits in it. I think it's mainly just for acne, but I think with this one it's a little bit more hydrating and not as harsh, which can be can age the skin a little bit when it's dried out like that. So this one feels really nice. It actually feels really moisturizing, and it helps my skin. I already know it's a great product for acne, so I did pick this up. It's in my shower right now, so this is just the box, but I just wanted to show you guys. Really good buy. I would recommend this to anybody, and I honestly, even if you're not in the market for anti-aging, this one feels nicer than the other one, and it works. I really love this thing. I just wish it wasn't almost $40. Anyway, and the last thing I got, now, let me tell you guys. I wear Cocoa lashes every day. They're like $7. They're awesome. Worth the money and more. I wear them all the time. These are Divas, which are my favorite. They're just the best. They're the best. I love them so much. But they had velour lashes on Ulta's website for half off on one of the days. And these are faux mink lashes. And they're like I think they're like $26, something crazy like that. And so I would never, ever, ever pay that much. Ever, ever, ever. They were half off though, so I figured, hey, you know, let's try it and let's see, like, is it really like this whole other luxurious experience? No, girl. It is not. This is why you are paying that much money, okay? Look at this. Okay, so first of all, it took me 5,000 years to even get this little package opened. Once I got it opened, so, you know, there's a nice little, it says wink, wink. Okay. And then once you take that off, it says, enjoy your new mink lashes, blah, blah, blah. And then this packaging. This is why you are paying this much money. I'm sorry, guys. Like, they're nice lashes, don't get me wrong, but it is all this extraness. So if you're looking for the extra, this is for you. But I just want a nice lash. This case is really nice, and I will keep this case to put other lashes in that are in my price point. But I mean, it's just, the case is nice. The case was the best thing about this. The lashes are pretty, don't get me wrong, and comparing it side by side to like my Divas, I do notice that the hairs on these are a lot nicer, a little bit more natural looking. So I'm not saying that, you know, you don't get what you pay for, but I don't need all this. It goes on my eyes. I want it to look nice. It's perfect. So these are pretty. I got the style Wispy Sweet Nothings. I will never pay full price for that unless I become straight up baller and I don't care. No, girl. No. All right, and I think that's all I got. Like I said, this is the most I'd ever got in a 21 Days of Beauty. They just had really great stuff. Usually every year, like, I'll say, like, oh, I want something on this day, this day, this day. And then when it comes down to it, I'm like, I don't really need it after all. These, they had a lot of things that I already knew I loved and just a couple of things that I wanted to try. Most worked out for me, a couple didn't. But for the most part, really happy, really loving everything. And it was just a great sale. I'm waiting for the hair one next so I can purchase my shampoos and stuff to maintain this. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you guys picked up or if you had any hits and misses too, because I know you guys be watching that sale. But yeah, Remember to comment down below and like and subscribe so you can see my next few videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.
Hold up.